How to know if someone unfriended you on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to know if someone has unfriended you on Snapchat, what you're simply gonna do is first launch the app on your device, then go to your Bitmoji, which is in the top left corner of your screen. Now scroll a bit down, then go to the option My Friends. After that, you'll see all your friends over here. But if a name of the friend is missing, then you can probably think that they have unfriended you. So, another way is you can search the name of a friend, then click on their name and then go to their profile. Now, if you can see their snap score, then they are still your friend. But if you cannot see their snap score, then they have probably unfriended you. So this is how you can find out if someone has unfriended you on Snapchat or not. So hope you liked it. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in another video.